In the beautiful city of Verona, known for its ancient streets and quiet charm, a traveler arrived one summer evening. He had come to explore the city, but little did he know that he was about to witness a story that would touch his heart forever. As he walked through the town square, he saw two young boys standing by the roadside. They were thin, dusty, and simply dressed. The older boy was Nicola, around 13 years old. The younger one was Jacopo, about 12. They were selling strawberries from a small wooden basket. Their bright eyes, polite smiles, and gentle manners caught the traveler's attention. Even though life seemed tough for them, they stood with dignity. The traveler bought some strawberries and was surprised by how honest and sincere the boys were. The next morning, he saw them again, this time polishing shoes near the bus stop. Later in the day, he saw them delivering newspapers, running errands, and even guiding tourists around the city. It amazed him to see how hardworking they were. They never rested, never complained, and greeted everyone with respect. The traveler wondered why these young boys were doing so many jobs. They should have been at school, playing and enjoying their childhood. Something felt unusual. One evening, the traveler met them near a fountain. They looked tired but still cheerful. Jacopo shyly asked if the traveler could take them to the nearby village of Poleta the next day. Nicola looked uncomfortable, as if he didn't want to trouble the traveler, but eventually he agreed. The next morning, the traveler drove them to Poleta. The boys seemed nervous and quiet during the ride. When they reached the village, they asked him to drop them near a large building surrounded by trees. It looked like a hospital. Curious, the traveler waited nearby. After a few minutes, he quietly followed them inside. What he saw brought tears to his eyes. Nicola and Jacopo were sitting beside a young girl, around 20 years old. She was thin, pale, and lying on a hospital bed. The boy spoke to her softly, comforting her with love and warmth. A nurse approached the traveler and explained the truth. The girl was Lucia, their elder sister. Their father had died in the war, their home was destroyed, and their mother had passed away. Lucia had fallen ill with tuberculosis of the spine. The boys had no one left except each other. So to take care of their sister, Nicola and Jacopo had taken it upon themselves to work every single day, selling fruit, shining shoes, running errands, just to pay for her treatment. They never told anyone. They never showed their pain. They simply kept working with courage and hope. The traveler felt deeply moved. He realized that these two young boys, despite their age and hardships, had shown more strength, responsibility, and love than many adults. After some time, the boys came out. The traveler did not ask them anything. He respected their privacy and their dignity. He simply smiled and drove them back to Verona. As they parted, the traveler looked at the two boys walking down the street. Small in size, but giants in character. They were poor, but rich in heart. They had no wealth, but they had love. They were children, but they had the soul of true gentlemen. And that day, the traveler understood one important lesson. Being a gentleman is not about clothes or status. It is about sacrifice, honesty, and the courage to care for others.